Describes.
I will read it for you.
Describe something that you want to learn more. Describe something that you want to learn more.
Describe. Okay.
Second is about to.
Hello, good evening everyone.
Very good.
Now I am going to tell a topic that I want to learn more. I want to learn more about you have all heard about neurologists. Means that they research on our neurons. That is, neuron is a type of cell that are found in our mind. I want to know about more about neurology. Neurology is a subject where we study about neurons in our brains, how our brain functions. It's a very important topic. It's because that when you learn about your mind, everything about your mind, you can do everything in your life. Just because when you have learned, when you have learned or understand your mind, you can do anything for you. Because that time you will know that how matlab why distractions came in our mind, why we feel sad, why we feel happy, why we feel angry, why we feel why do love someone, why love arises in them. You will have all such type of answers. So when you have all such type of answers, you can design a proper timetable, proper things for you. For example, you most of them were using are using phones in night. But you all should know that when you use the phone nights, there is a night phone sparks a blue light that emits our optical nerves that signals our brains to its day. Do not convert the mind into sleep mode, because when we arise in the morning, this is when the sunlight comes into our optic nerves, our brain signals and that releases and chemicals cortisols that help us to stay active. But because of that, our phone also release that light. Our brain does not able to go into sleep mode even in the night. That's a big problem. That and in our life there is such many types of problems we don't know. But when you learn about neurology, you can make your work easy. You can able to find joy in your work. You will know how to make your work more interesting. Even it's a very important topic. Yes, it's a very complex, but it's a very interesting topic, sir. Just because of that, you can even cure many diseases. And neurologist is like a different topics. I just really want to know more about that, because it's, and also you will, if you will know that there is a many different types of amazing different types of brains part, like a hippocampus that stores all the memories, and hypothalamus that controls our all the emotions, our frontal part of the brain that helps in the decision making. Many such types, and also our lower brain that helps us to walk, that helps us to coordinate our body. And you will all experience that when a drinker drink alcohol, they did not walk properly. Just because of that, their lower brain has damaged because of alcohol. That's why they are not able to walk. And if you will know more about that, more about neurology, you will find all the answers. It's a very interesting. After you will find more research on neurology, it's a you will find you will be interested in that.